Let's add an applied border to this cardigan. I've already picked up the number of stitches I need along the front of my cardigan. I've also marked where my buttons are going to be placed, my buttons and my buttonholes. And I'm going to make mine about 4 inches apart, and I've put a locking stitch marker on the body of the cardigan as an indicator for whenever my button band gets to that point of the stitch marker, I'm going to make a buttonhole. Begin by casting on the stitches for the border. In this case, the Tessera Cardigan, we need 14 stitches. I'm going to use a long tail cast on method to cast on 14 stitches onto my right hand needle. Now we're ready to join the border to the body of the sweater. To do that, we're going to slip the first body stitch purlwise onto the right hand needle, and then pass the first border stitch over that body stitch. And then we're going to turn the work. We've essentially just made row 1 of the border. On the next row, this wrong side row, we'll slip 1 purlwise, purl 1, and then knit 2, purl 2 to the end of the border. This is just a simple 2x2 rib pattern. We'll go back to the right side. The next row is knit 2, purl 2, and just do that until we get to the last border stitch. And here's where we attach the last border stitch with the first body stitch by doing an SSK. I'm doing an improved SSK. I'll link a video to that also. So that SSK attaches the border to the body, and we'll repeat that on every right side row as we work up the edge of this cardigan. On the wrong side row, slip 1 purlwise, purl 1, and then work in the rib pattern to the end. So just knit 2, purl 2 until the end. And we'll just repeat those 2 rows until we get to our first buttonhole. So here we can see a little bit more of this border now. I've got about 1 inch of it, and it is working its way along the edge of the cardigan. So here's how we create the buttonhole. Knit 2, purl 2, knit 1, SSK, yarn over twice, knit two together. And then we'll continue in our ribbing. It'll be a knit one, purl two, knit one, and then just as we've been doing on every right side row, SSK, the last border stitch with the first stitch of the body, and turn the work. The second row of the buttonhole row is a slip one purlwise, purl one, knit two, purl two, and here's where we get to the yarn overs, the double yarn overs. Knit one into the first yarn over, and make sure you don't accidentally drop the second yarn over. Purl one into the second yarn over, and then continue on with the row. Be a purl two, knit two, and then purl two. And that's how you make the buttonhole in this applied border for the Tessera cardigan. I'm knitting one more row, so it'll be a bit easier to see the buttonhole that's created.